Hey YouTube, and welcome back to Diva Styles. I have a really quick and simple craft. You guys, this is like super fun to do. You can do this for yourself. You can do this with your daughters, or you could also sell this like on your shop if you have a store, and it will bring in revenue, and it does not cost that much. And this is these cute little lip scrubs. You guys, I done already went on ahead, did a bunch of these. I got my little things on there. I got the ingredients on the back. You guys, I did like, I don't want to show y'all my desk area because it's dirty, but yes, I did. I got 6 of these. I did 6 of these lip scrubs. They smell amazing. And it is edible. So it is all, natural products from the food section. Nothing that's going to be harmful or hurt people's skin. Nothing like that. Really simple. So we're just going to go ahead and get into the supplies that you need and get into this craft. That smells so good. Yeah, my kids starting to come in here. So I'm going to see you guys later. All right, hey everybody. So for the supplies that you will need is you can use either brown sugar. Of course you need sugar. Brown sugar or either regular granulated, white sugar. You can choose to use either coconut oil, which is what I have. Any type of oil. Another oil I use is olive oil, or I've used a mixture of both. And then to get your smells, because this is edible, I use like this one is lemon. I'm going to be using this one today. You can buy these out of the food section over there with the seasons like pepper and salt and things like that. I've got bubblegum, vanilla, rosemary, hazelnut, coconuts, and mint. So pretty much to get started, I'm going to go ahead and put my sugar in a bowl, and because I have not used the brown sugar, I think I'm going to go ahead and try that out and see how that goes. One more thing that I forgot to say that you will need is a container. As you can see, I have a bunch of these already over here and done. I got these containers off of Amazon. I bought 24, so I'm going to go ahead and pour in some lemon. Oh my gosh, that is super strong. That's definitely lemon. Okay, and I'm going to use some oil. Me, myself, I don't like the taste of the coconut oil. So I'm just going to put in that one, and then all you're going to do is just pretty much mash it until it is the consistency that you like. Some of mine are different consistencies. Like if you look, this one is a bit more like oily. I like that one. My daughter, on the other hand, she likes hers to be a little bit more, I guess, drier when she scrubs it on her lips. Goodness, that bubble gum is loud. Okay. So just get it to the consistency that you like. And this would also be a good item to sell as well. As you see, it does not take much to make because the product is pretty much done. Once you get this to the scrub consistency of your liking. Oh my gosh, it smells really good. Put a little bit more oil. Like I said, I like mine to be a little bit oily. Okay, can you see that? You see how easy it is to just like spread, like this is, okay. It's done. Pretty much it's done. And then all you do is take your container, and of course you're going to fill this bad baby up. And then you are done with your sugar scrub. Then, of course, if you want, go ahead, you slap a label on it, and you're done. Did you see how easy that was? You guys, this is like great. People like really buy this. Like it don't cost that much to make. It's not that hard to make. As you see, you don't really need too much supplies. Everything is food. It is edible. Oh, if you wanted to, you could add in some food coloring. But this is lemon, so I'm just gonna keep it like this. But as you see, I do have my bubble gum is pink. I believe this one is rosemary. This one is purple. I have green for mint. You guys, easy craft, and it's fun to do. Also, if you have daughters, she loves doing it. She loves using it. So, you guys, if you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. And as always, I will see you guys very soon. Bye. Hey everybody, so I've been getting some requests to do custom items, but as you guys know, I no longer have a shop, so I do not sell items, but I do have some shops right here that are listed. These are people that are very talented. These people are very creative. You can find them on Etsy, Instagram, Facebook. And if you do not see something on their shop, you can always request custom items. We're going to take a look at this shop right here. There's all types of stuff. As you can see, there is a huge variety and things to choose from. Like I said, feel free to message these people and ask for custom items. You can find different things on each and every one of these, one of these pages. They have great reviews. I highly recommend them. Even if you just go in and take a look, save their shops, add these things to your favorite. Look at this stuff. Just like very creative stuff here. Go ahead, send these people a message. You guys, they got you. They're here. They are here. Yeah. So let's keep looking. Let's see what else we got. Look at this stuff, you guys. This stuff is awesome. This stuff is very, very creative. Look at this. Another shop. Y'all, half of this stuff I wish I could do. Like the food stuff, girl, you got it. I cannot do no food stuff for nothing. And then, like I said, Facebook as well. Be sure to check out all of these places. Add them to your favorites. Like them. Spread the word about them. If you need custom items, feel free to message them. Like I said, they will work with you to pretty much get the item that you need. So, yeah. So I just wanted to get that out there to, support these shops, support each other. And I will see you guys very soon.